What's going on, guys? It's Picsoleated, and today we are going to be teaching you how to actually lace your Acronym Prestos. I've been noticing a lot of people aren't really sure how to fasten these shoes up the right way, so I'm here to help with that. This is gonna be quick. First things first, avoid the front laces entirely. Those do pretty much nothing to secure this shoe in my experience. Step 1, slide your foot in the shoe, obviously. Step 2, unclip the pull tab attached to both laces from the little strap it snapped onto. Step 3, pull the tab up with decent force until the zippers on both sides are fully zipped up. Step 4, now this is where it gets a little tricky. Slide your index or middle finger into the bottom strap and squeeze the two parts of the button together to snap it back in place. Step 5, finally flip the zipper handles to face down, as this locks the mechanism and prevents the zippers from unzipping themselves. Bonus step 6, put on the second shoe, repeat the last 1 to 5 steps if you want to walk in them, and get up and walk off. Hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments. Catch you later. Picsoleated is tech wear.